sweet lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing you how to make a quick and delicious cake parfait, a no-bake dessert layered with soft cake, cream and fresh fruits. It is so beautiful and tasty that your friends will think you bought it from a fancy cafe. Let's dive in. Here is all you need: leftover cake, be it cake slices, cake crumbs, or any sponge cake, whipped cream, yogurt or custard. Custard is optional, but we'll be using custard in this video, and your favorite fruits like strawberries, pineapple, and so on. Now start by breaking your cake into smaller cubes or crumbs. You can use vanilla, chocolate or red velvet, any flavor works. You can now whip your cream or custard till it is fluffy. You can add a spoon of condensed milk or vanilla for extra sweetness. This is what gives that smooth melt in your mouth texture, but here we are using a custard without a sugar since our cake is already sweet. I am sure you can make your custard right. The custard we use in this video is the vanilla flavor. As you can see, this is the fun part. To layer your cake, you can begin by laying your cake first, or you can begin by laying your cream first. But for this first parfait cup, we layered with our cake first and then followed by the cream. Here we are topping with some honey. We are also topping with berries. Some chocolate crumbs. Finally, with chocolate round biscuits. Each one of these will have that perfect mix of sweetness, creaminess and freshness in your cake parfait. Now for our second cup, we are going to start by layering our cream at the bottom and then followed by our cake crumbs or cake slices. We are going to repeat this until we get to the top, so you can design this anyhow you want it. You can layer your cream at the bottom, your cake crumbs till you get to the top, and then you can finally cover with your cream. Anyhow you want it, just layer them beautifully and finish with some fruits, nuts and so on. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and join our food and active lifestyle community today. Let's check out some professional tips here, especially if you want to start a cake parfait business. Use leftover cakes. It is softer and absorbs cream better. Also, mix cake flavors. You can try half vanilla, half chocolate for a layered taste. This is optional though. Also, don't forget to add crunch. Sprinkle crushed biscuits or nuts between layers for texture. For stronger flavor, drizzle a bit of fruit syrup or condensed milk between layers as well. Finally, for the presentation tip, use clear glasses or dessert cups to show off those layers. This will make people get attracted to your cake parfait. Now pop it into the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes to chill. You can then serve. Trust me, one bite and you will be hooked. So if you love quick and beautiful dessert like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Also, comment Cake Parfait boldly below if you want me to show you more no-bake desserts. Also, you can follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. If you love my tips and recipes, you will find even more in my exclusive ebook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So check out the description below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. See you in my next video.